Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, June 2nd, 2021, and yesterday was first trading day of the month. Today is the second trading day of the month, so I figured we'd do a quick seasonality study based upon the second trading day of June. So that's something that we can easily look at here and discover. So let me go ahead and set that up, and we will see what has happened historically on this second trading day of the month in June. So I've got all four instruments selected. The setup that we're going to be looking at is based upon entering the market long at the open of regular trading hours, which is 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. I've got the exit set to the close of regular trading hours, which is 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, normally I go into the opening filters and select a gap direction or opening area. I'm not going to do that today. We're trading fairly flat right now, but more importantly, I just want to keep as many samples as possible since we're going to be looking at a day that only happens once a year. So I'm not going to select anything in here. If you want to do that on your own, you're welcome to do so. Once we get closer to the open, you'll know exactly where we're going to be and you can pick something from here. But what I'm going to be looking at today specifically is in the calendar library. I'm going to say that today is the second trading day of the month, and I'm going to grab both of these pieces of information from the active today section today. So I'm going to go to the unique days and say it is the day after the first day of the month, and this is a trading day of the month. And then next I'm going to go into the month and click on June. So I've got, it is June, and it is the day after the first trading day of the month, and this is trading days. If I wanted to look at the calendar days, I can actually do that here in the day of month, but we're looking at trading days. And now I can click View Results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at the open of regular trading hours on the second trading day of the month in June. So we've got 17 samples dating back to 2003. If we look at the win rates on them, you will see they are all favored. You got the S&P coming in at 71% of these days have finished with a green daily candlestick. So they have closed above where they opened at for the session. For the NASDAQ, that's 65%. For the Dow, 71%, and for the Russell, 65%. So very similar win rates across all four instruments there. If we look at the average win and average loss, you'll notice the average win is larger than the average loss in the S&P, and the NASDAQ, in the Dow, and in the Russell. So all four instruments have larger average wins compared to their average losses, and all four instruments have closed above the open more frequently than they've closed below the open. So historically speaking, dating back to 2003, this day has been a bit more bullish than most. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.